Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Dragon Cannoli from the fuse machine. First, you'll need to find the fuse machine within the game. Make sure you have all the required ingredients ready in your inventory. Then, simply walk up to the machine to start crafting your delicious treat. Once you're at the fuse machine, interact with it to bring up the crafting menu. You'll see several slots for ingredients. Carefully drag your dragon fruit and place it into the first available slot. Next, take your cannoli shell and put it into the second slot. This combination is key. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide useful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more tips. On another note, keeping your real-world space clean is just as important as your game world. Upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. It has voice control, self-empties, and is pet-friendly. Check the description for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Double-check that both the dragon fruit and cannoli shell are in their correct positions. When you're certain, click the fuse button to start the crafting. The machine will then process your items. After a brief moment, your fresh dragon cannoli will appear in the output slot, ready for you to collect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.